Every creator has asked, why did that video go viral while my last three flopped? Right? Today I'm showing a tool that I have created called YT Tracky that find the exact outliers on any channel. So you can stop guessing and start filming. When you look at a competitor channel, the total view count is a lie. A big channel gets big views just because they are big. But what we are looking for are outliers. These are video perform 3, 5, even 10 times better than their creator's average video. That is a signal the topic is trending, not just the creator. Unlike other tools like VidIQ, TubeBuddy, which has limitations for computer analysis tool, this tool is completely free. To be free, fast, and private, it uses your own YouTube API. We never store the key, it is used only in your browser to call YouTube Data API. To start using this tool, you need a YouTube Data API key. You need to create in your account. So what you need to do is click on this view tutorial. This tutorial will help you to create the YouTube Data API. Once you create that, go into this YT Tracky website, click on Open Console. It will automatically go into that page. Now click Show Key and copy the key you have created. Once you've done that, go back to YT Tracky and paste the key in here. This key will not pass to our servers or anything like that. It just save in your browser. So you have a toggle in here. If you turn it on, it will save in your browser. But if you toggle it off, it's not gonna save in a browser. So when you refresh this page or come back later, the API key is gone and the results also gone. So I'll show you. So if you toggle this on and if I refresh this page, the API key will still be there. But if you toggle this off and refresh the page, the API key has been gone. It's depending on your preference. If you want to keep the API key in your browser, just toggle this on. It will be easier. Okay, now all you need to do is put a YouTube channel URL here or handle and click search and analyze. So let's grab a YouTube channel we can analyze. Let's copy this URL, paste it here. And when you hit this search button, YT Tracky does the heavy lifting. And look at these three metrics in the top. One is called medium views. That's the average videos this channel gets. And top are outlier score. And the top outlier score is the maximum outlier in this specific video set. And the average views per hour of this search. Now you can sort by videos only or shorts only in this section, or you can see all the videos and shorts together. Now let's go to videos and see. This is the first video we are getting, which has 9.5 outlier score. That means this video is so much better than his other videos. Let's try that. So if we go into his channel, if you go to videos, let's scroll down and see. See, normally he get 22k, 89k, 24k views, but this video has 249k views right now. So that's why it's showing as an outlier. The best thing about this tool is you can search any number of channels, any number of searches totally free. The only caveat is you have a quota in YouTube Data API. But it's very large quota because YouTube has free account has 10,000 units per day and one search is around 100 to 150 units. So you can do so many searches for free account. If you want to see the quota you have done right now, you can click open quotas. It will automatically go to that page and you'll be able to see for per day you have 10,000 quota and you only use 7.43 in my current usage. So you can actually, this totally free tool. I'm going to be updating this tool and adding new features to help us all grow our channels faster. Whether it's deep analytic, better filtering, or more historical data, I want this tool to be ultimate creator companion. But I need your help to make this tool better. If you run into any bugs or if there's a specific feature you are dying to see, please leave some honest feedback in the comments below or reach out through this tool. I'm building this for us and the input what drives the next update. Thanks for watching, good luck with your channel growth, and I'll see you in the next one.